Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Subaru Outback Limited. This one features 2.5 liter naturally aspirated boxer 4-cylinder mated to the CVT. Not bad at all. This one has how many miles? 26,000 miles. Not bad at all. Look at this. This was never prepped. Still in dealer prep. Oh boy. Wonder if the same is for this door. No, that one was prepped. But no, pretty nice vehicle. Sunroof, of course. Sliding visor. All right, let's go for a drive. Outback's based on the same platform as the Legacy. That's why if you're seeing this, it kind of looks familiar. That's why. Rides very well too. Nice and composed. Very comfortable. I could be in this thing all day long. Not bad on the power front. It's actually pretty impressive. Bump, not bad. gonna try something a little bit different. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Going across the road. Well, it looks like we got a bunch of Grand Wagoneers, if that's what you're into. Not Grand Wagoneers. Grand Cherokee L. Same basic thing, though. I just wondered what's down there. Don't know until you find out. Oh, this is Clean Harbors. Oops. I'll turn around. That's what's here. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.